Mount Soche Hotel. Yeah. Let's see. You can see it outside. Yo. Bangga ni buat. Yeah. Alright. Hi. Yeah, I'm good and how are you? Yeah, so I'm a YouTuber, I'm a content creator. Yeah, so you can just sell out yourself for publicity.
Alright. So we actually do film and wedding. This is our wedding packages. We have the gold, the silver, and the bronze package. So we're actually the best from the rest. Say that.
Exactly.
I'm sure I'm allowed to say that. So if you're getting married, it's not just marriage. Maybe you have a business that you want people to know about. We are the best people that you can use. We can well sell your products very well. And not only that, but we also take amazing pictures for weddings, graduations. It depends with what exactly you want. But anything to do with film, shooting, and pictures, movies, we're your team.
Yeah, I can see your beautiful t-shirt and I can also see it's Chikwati Films, excellency with a touch of class. Yeah, so guys, always. So guys, let's not go far. We have the people here in Malawi and don't forget the channel is all about Malawi Wathu. So don't think like we don't have people, we have experts here. You can, yeah, you can see how, you know, the flyers are,
very exciting our product is.
Yeah, and we have little professional even people that take that. It's not just, so if you're here in Malawi watching live, don't miss. If you're in Blantyre, don't miss this event. Come here at Mount Soche Hotel, so that you can experience it and you can see it physically. Yeah, for yourself. So guys, you have to. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lily.
So guys, here it's about this event. It's about fashion and arts. Yeah, still here on Mitchell. Yeah, we are here on Old Mitchell. We are here. I'm so excited.
Here how we policies. We have these policies. We have Togolo savings plan. Actually, Togolo savings plan is all about saving. As we are giving you interest on top of your savings. It's as low as 10,000 kwacha each month. You can choose any amounts above that. And as for Tuesday, we are only providing services for females. We provide everything about females, coffees, sports, and everything. So it's as low as 3,500. So you can see what we is providing cheap stuff. That's for now. So any question from you? You're welcome.
All right. Nokufuna ndive kuonawo pang'ono okay tayankola pali atena amene tonera mwina amene kusiyana manda Malawi ayikira ntchito zawo kumene kucha nkofunikira bwanji kuti anthu ngati amene awawa atamakhala ndi ma policies like awawa kumuziko lawo kunoko.
And from of course they are making money there. So as God will don't have encourage as a safer muziko lawo. Because so that I go so as they are saving, they are in Africa, around Africa, all is around maybe 11 countries. So they can save anywhere they are. As long as they are from individual, we'll keep them for them. And kuga zinamoto meni akufuna akufuna kaya sana ena mina nasiya kuzoteka
yeah Malawi Wathu tikutero otweti ngati ku Malawi kwachu kuno tikwenera ndithu anthu tizitha ndithu kukumbukira kuti kwano tengonana kachani ndoka ndekuli bwino ndithu kuyuza mapoma my institutions or my companies, my policy companies, amene ali athu amene ndikuta yeah.
So for a wedding, you need to make a
exactly. And I can see you, I think. You're so like, yeah, you're shining there.
Thank you so much. Yeah. But then having said that, this is not all that we have like cosmetics, toiletries, yeah. But what we have now, I can say is 50% of what we have to offer. Right?
Yeah.
I can say most of those things we have to shop and to take to decide that everything will be on a promotion, not on a shop.
Okay. Where are you located exactly? Because you know.
Located at Crossroads building. Restaurant is called.
If I come there, you're going to change me somehow.
I'm coming because I'm like
no worry. That's how people always want reality, because exactly when they are seeing you doing the makeup, you're already doing it naturally according to your skin, and yeah.
So it's called Queen Bee. It's next door to the Crossroads building. There is Chinese restaurant.
Okay.
From the time that
all right, exactly. I think one of these days I'll visit you, so I have to do my you have to do me exactly, because people always see me like this naturally. So if they see me, they'll say exactly. So people have to. It's for free. Oh, I will. I think I need to take your card, and I need to do this documentary for you guys. Yeah. Yeah, I will. So guys, if you are watching from Blantyre, please don't take my neck. You have to come and visit Mount Soche, and don't forget Queen's Bee. Is it Queen or Queen's? Queen Bee. Don't forget. Yes, and I'm going to tell you, and I'll write the direction to my final documentary video, and I'll visit them again to just interact with them. Guys, look. Are you preparing for your wedding? Everything at Queen's Bee, your makeup, the bridal party makeup, you know, everything, they do that. And even you'll find, is it an engagement? You can see here. You can come please and see yourself here at Mount Soche. They are saying it's 10 o'clock up to evening. Is it so?
Yes, it is.
10 to 5. So don't miss this. Thank you, Queen Bee. We are on insurance now, Nico. And family mazoti Nico ndi akonkono Malawi kuno. Ena numugonera ndeti onesetse tindi funeral tindi child savers policy. I think I have some beautiful ladies here they are going to tell us kudi muniko kuli ma policies anji. Ena nsamango khala kumaja ndrama kunja kuti kamabwera ku Malawi kuno Malawi Wathu akusintha. They ife so tukena tizisunga tizipanga ma savings athu tikabwera. We should stay the way we are staying out where we are. Kaya tingo mungo tifotokozera kuti ku event kuno Nico mabwera fanyani mfuna anthu aziwe chani za Nico.
Tabwera kuzapanga offer product athu ndina ku market. Product athu kwambiri amene affordable kwa clients. Yeah. My life cover policies, my investment policies, my funeral policies.
Life cover,
the investment policies,
the investment, then funeral policies. Guys, good policies here. Nina mungu afrokozera kwa anthu kuti kofunikira bwanji munthu ukhani policy.
Alright, munthu ukhani policy at least ukhani financial security, also peace of mind. Nina kuti at least ngamakhala moyo mwangamu ndibe na value pamene ndikudalira kuso. In case something happens to me, ndimakhani ma beneficiaries ana ndiye namina madalira kuti at least nenda kalinda list adamwalira ena uzasire mina kale kapena ndakalinda baka survive them ndakhala moyo ndikhale kuti ni masungu because masungu ni life. We got to learn away from these two things. Kala ambako maso kumwaliza at least kumakhala ulandira besho kwa kula ukule kuti unabanga invest. Yeah.
Itathokoza kwambiri. Thank you very much. Tisaiwale to Nico Insurance and Nico Life Insurance Company ndi akalekale ku Malawi kuno ndipo ikufunikira kuti kwambiri amalawi akhale ndithu oyikonda ikhale number 1 for Malawians eti nanga ndikunama ngati ineso ndi Paulisa ine kumene tionjezereni Hello. Yes, Lady Tease. Tell my viewers more about your cakes.
Oh, I like creating cakes, birthday cakes, banana bread, anything baked.
Anything baked, guys, you can
So
see.
if you're having a wedding today or this year, you know it. Like
You do it.
I'm here right now.
Okay, guys. So you can just hear from Lady T. You see, guys, she's here, right here.
Yeah.
You can see the face on the banner. It's not. I'm just joking.
It's me.
It's her here. It's so beautiful and cute, and she's just preparing this. So please, guys, if you're watching me now, you know Lily Mat always brings it Malawi Wathu it. So here at Mount Soche, they are going to be here up to 5 p.m. and there'll be also a fashion show. There is music, food is also here, right here. Come and taste Lady T's cakes here, guys. Wow, what's this?
This is vanilla poppy seed cake.
Vanilla
It's
poppy.
the same vanilla cake, but with just a little bit of,
What? Where are you located, Lily?
Machinjiri.
Machinjiri?
Yeah. Located in Machinjiri.
All right. Area 7.
Yeah.
All right. I'll be there one of these days.
You should.
I have to see how you get all this. What? Hello. Can I pick one? Yeah, so did you know about Marvelous Kitchen? Yes? Yeah. So guys, tingona kai de atforokozere kuti avaveseka bati komanso ishi komalelolo amene mukuonera panova. I think you have to come here at Mount Soche muzabange nokha observe physically. Yeah, kai mwina mutforokozereko mai nkhuku imeneyi bosatu limene mayiona pa KFC mwekachani mwekazambire. I can see zili bwino kwambiri kai mukupezeka kuti komanso anthu angakupeza mumapanga chani ma services anu
Izilawa.
I really need to test their chicken. I think it's very
You're going to sell afterwards, eh?
I guess so. Because kama ngwala wira ndesigwira kula wandi kugula kaya ndiforokozere niko. Yeah, kuti mapezeka kuti chinyonga. Okay, guys, apezeka chinyonga mumapanga ngati maukwati. Okay, my cakes is on down now, guys. Those who want to become Mr. and Mrs. this 2023, find them. a marvelous kitchen. Kuna beli. Ngati muli kuna beli. Sibu ino kumapita no kuzomba kaya kuti. Yet you have the closest people who can provide you with the services that you're looking for. So here are the details. Marvelous kitchen. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Yeah. Basuri, Abbas Bambo Tuchena, Infinity, guys, wow. Taona zazmai, komas azibambo tupena richena. Hi. Azibambo tupena kuchena. So we are here. Kudi kwari. Chumari kwari. Azibambo anyamaro ogrizia nanusomani akuchena. So we are here. So just see, and we have our who's going to tell us more about Infinity. Is it like that?
Yes.
Tell us more about it.
We sell different items, shoes,
Yeah, nderu ti mugumva no kamubezeka kuti.
we are at
Kamba?
Yes.
Opposite the filling station or opposite the stereo? Oh, those new buildings. Okay. And we'll find your signpost there. Which room you are located? First. Okay, third room, first floor. All right. So don't miss this, guys. I will visit you again at your shop. So people should really see the reality of this. So, guys, these are Chinesa's bamboo. So these are the best. I can see the shoes are very, very beautiful shoes, and they can last years, I guess. We need to have several shoes, but these are the best, and I like this. Yes. Okay. All right. Yo. So let's osadisa manyazi Malawi Wathu zinthu zilimo muno osati zija ovutikira ayi. So let's tend abese nanthu amenewo. Yeah. So thank you. Let me have your card so that when I will be coming, I have to call you guys. Thank you. Wow, just love this display, guys. Like for the mothers. Yeah, nice. Yeah, this is beautiful already. Wow, your earrings, so nice. Wow, you are expert on this, I think, because I can see you have labeled. You can read the mothers.
The mothers.
Yeah? So you know where the bridesmaids. Yeah?
Then the brides.
Then the brides.
Yes.
Wow, guys. I'm going for the consider without missing about it. No, do you think the cost what? Okay. Okay, just tell us about. Okay, I think the best place is that there.
Okay.
Wow.
What we have here is the Easy Keys accessories. We do earrings and the necklaces.
Yeah.
Accessories for the hairs. So
I thought it was an earring. Let me just get this. These are pins, my guys. My pin hour
for the hairs.
for the hair.
Yes. So here we have the earrings for the brides. Which is different. Like this one. Yeah, with the difference is also pricing. Yeah. So here we have the bridesmaids. And so for the part of the price, that one.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Okay.
So far what we have here right now is that.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
How much are this?
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Cost
Oh, the cost of this
Yeah.
is 10,000.
10,000.
Yes.
Wow. Where are you located?
Actually, here in Blantyre, we just we are in Yambari, but we don't have shops right now.
Yeah.
We only put in the long way.
Uh-huh.
Yes, for here in Blantyre, we have contact that you can contact us.
Okay.
Yes, and we can deliver, or you can get it from there.
All right. Can I have your contact, please?
Yes.